Hey, good morning everybody. I'm out here on Kentucky Lake. First day of practice. I've never been here this early. This is March. Second stop on the Bassmaster Opens. Excuse me, I have a cough. Pretty bad one. But it's cold. It's 28 degrees when we blasted off. And hopefully that I can get out here and get on some fish. I got the infamous Randall Farp. Say hi, Randall. Doing my intro for my show. Practice. I got to fish against people like this all the time out here. They got so much history out here on the water that it's hard to beat them. But anyways, let's see what our practice goes, and we'll let Randall go out first. But it looks like everybody's heading out. I got a couple waypoints to try. I'm gonna try those. First thing, the water is a little dirty, and it's down still. I thought it would be full, definitely, because Pickwick was really full. And there was a lot of water coming out, so that means they're letting a lot of water out. So they never really raised this thing yet. So I thought maybe we'd be flipping its bushes potentially, but it ain't gonna happen. It is down. So here we go. Gonna blast this off. I'm gonna probably turn it off because it is cold. I'm gonna run to my first spot and I'll turn it on, and then go from there. All right, guys, subscribe, please. Cold to win. It is definitely a cold morning, and I mean cold. Why it has to be this cold, I have no idea. Water temps 46 degrees. And that wind is 28 outside right now, and wind on my hands. Woo! Try some reaction baits to see what happens. Water is definitely dirty, like it or not, it's dirty. Well, I caught something finally. I don't know what it is, but I've been getting bites out here, and I keep missing them. I don't think this is a bass, but probably a drum or something. And I keep getting bites and I keep missing them. And so, camera on here. Finally, I've been like fishing all day for nothing. This is a big fish, whatever it is. I think it's a drum, catfish, oh, drum, big drum. That's probably what's biting me down there. Well, it's hard to get. Crap, I think so much bigger than I thought. Yeah, he's heavy. This sucker, quit that. I'm trying to get this out of your mouth. Biggin. Biggin. I've been throwing cranks, jerkbaits through a tube for a while. I kept getting it picked up, and I think that might have been it now. Thought I'd downsize and finesse it a little better and see what we could do, but I'm really struggling out here. But I don't know if anybody else is doing much better either. But I just keep trying. Keep trying. First fish of the day. I'm gonna give it another 5 more minutes, I think. It's almost 4:30. It's gonna take me about 45 minutes to get back. So, cold ride, I'm gonna tell you that. Tomorrow I'm gonna drive up here, launch, and yeah. Well, I mean, I see a ton of fish swimming around down there, and it's probably shad, a little bit of mixture of crappie, catfish, saugers, bass, maybe bass, I don't know. Definitely drum. See a little shad. There. Ooh, that might be something different there. No, not what I want. I don't think. What do we got? Just a smaller drum. Well, not that small. Definitely didn't feel big and heavy like those other ones. 3 drum. No base. Alright guys, day 2 tomorrow. Something's got to change. I got to figure out something. I only have 2 more days of practice and I don't need drums. Alright, subscribe. Stay tuned. Day 2 right next. Cold to wind. Day 2, practice, Kentucky Lake. You know, you saw the practice yesterday. Didn't do very well. I'm gonna try. I've never gone towards the dam. Let's do it. We're gonna run towards the dam. There's a lot of space between here and the dam. We're talking like 40, 50 miles, I think. I'm not sure. It's a long way. So I'm gonna run that way. See what I can hanker up. And hopefully that I can find something better than nothing like I found yesterday. It's pretty hard, but it's not as cold today as it was yesterday. Let me tell you that right now. I can actually feel the sun. And yesterday there was no feeling nothing. It was cold. But I won't be as bad today. I can tell already. I was supposed to get as high as 60s. Yesterday I don't think it got over 40. And that wind was blowing out the north. It was miserable. So, no wind at the moment, but who knows? It's Kentucky Lake. Alright guys, subscribe please, cold wind. Follow me, I appreciate it. I'm almost there to the money stage of monetization with YouTube. Please follow. Thanks. Well, I caught something. Then I caught a whole bunch of something. But this wind is not letting me pull this basket out of the water, but check this out. This thing is full of fish. I don't know whose anchor buoy setup this is. But it's got nothing but catfish in it. Look at all these cats. Look at them all. Snag this thing. Look at them all down there. I don't know whose this is, but there's no marker buoy. There's a basket, a catfish. Huh. I don't see. I don't know if I saw a buoy. There's even a lure on it. Look at this. Somebody's lure. That's a basket of catfish. Oh, there's a big one in there too. Well, I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna leave them there. They ain't mine. I see the green rope. I snagged that thing twice and I didn't know what it was. It's crazy. Maybe I should be throwing that lure. What do I have? I have a tarpon. Oh man, really? Again. Look what I did again. These are shad. Look at this stuff. Okay, so that's a gizzard shad. Crazy, huh? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! I caught a spot! No, it's a little largy, I'll take that back. Let's keep going. Yay! I caught a bass and a keeper, but I caught one. Caught me off guard, thought I had another shad. Holy crap! Holy crap! Check this baby out. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh, this is a tank. Tank. Come here, baby. Wow. Wow. Come here. Wow. Come here. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this toad. Whoa. That is a giant. I wonder what it weighs. Shall we find out? I bet this is 5 pounds. $5.48. $5.48. Look at that. Woo, sweetie. You get the special treatment. Thank you. Wow. Found one. Hit me right at the boater. I had to probably got the camera on earlier. If I catch another one down this bank, this is where I'm starting the tournament. Wow. You know, sometimes it pays to get away from the crowd. Everybody's on that east bank over there. and I came over here to the west bank, and there ain't a boat on it. And I fished that whole east bank, caught nothing but gizzard. Came over here and caught a little largie and that big 5/4/8 smallie. Just to get away from the crowd, I guess. If I could do that again, I'd be excited. He hit me about 10 feet from the boat. Kind of like shocking, because most of the bites are really close to shore, but did he track me out, or are they just between me and the bank? That's something I need to figure out right now. I don't have but a day and a half left. Woo! I haven't caught a 5/4/8 smallie in a long time. Nice. He's only about a 2.5 or bit. He will. We'll probably go 3. Go 3. Sweet. You got a hook set, baby. All right, my confidence is kind of here. One more and I'm done. I think that'll keep. I think that's be over 15. I think that's over 15. There. Yeah, he's 16 inches. All right. Probably two and a quarter pounder. That would have been 4 fish if I didn't miss that one. I'm pretty sure it was a bass. That one bumped me right off the bat. We got a lot of bank fish. A lot. Baby, come on. It's a good one too. Yeah. Largie. It's a good little largie. It'll keep. It'll keep.
keep. It'll keep. It'll keep. It'll keep. It's probably 2.5 pounds. Sweet. Sweet.
Man, everything's a shelf. I think I'm gonna head out. It's about, I need to time myself way back. 4:30. I think I'm about 45 minutes down the lake. The sun is trying to set. So day 2's in the books. I think tomorrow I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna look at a couple things. Maybe I can try to expand on that area. Hopefully. Hopefully. I don't know where it's at, but I gotta find it. So, day 2 in the books, day 3 tomorrow. Got a full day. Gotta make it work. Gotta make it count. Stay tuned. Day 3 will be next. Failed to fish today. I'm positive. Positive. Positive thing. Alright, guys. Cold to win. Subscribe. Hey, guys. Getting ready to head out. It's supposed to storm really bad today. And, I don't know. You can see my lovely location. Lovely. It's supposed to blow way into the 20s miles an hour. So I'm gonna run to the dam today. I'm gonna launch in a cove up there and see what we can do. And hopefully I can get out on the water and find some fish. But you can see my lovely spread where I'm all set up. But loading everything up. Had a nasty migraine last night. Kicked my butt. So I'm all right this morning. It's 6:30, so let's go find some fish. Took some more Advil, and I'm good to go. All right, guys, let's get out of here. Let's go catch fish, huh? Cold to win. Subscribe. Could use you. At this end of the lake, and it's too dangerous, then I can always duck in and duck away, you know. So we're gonna give it our best and see what we can find in this marina or outside of the marina into the main lake. I was not, when I stopped yesterday, I wasn't far from the spot, and the dam is probably 5 miles that way. So, all right, let's get some fishing going. See what we find. Not a lot of shallow. As you can see, it Y-capping out there. I'm in a cove, and it's just getting worse. The waves are getting bigger. As you can see, it's coming in right here. I don't know if I can fish. I'm gonna have to find. I mean, I could go to the other bank over there, but man, I'm gonna pay a price to get there. I'm gonna go try, maybe if I can get in out of this and try some deep stuff, maybe. This ain't looking good. Maybe this was a fruitless run, I don't know. But the wind has shifted direction, now it's blowing into me. Before it was blowing south, now it's blowing southeast, and it's just getting worse. I mean, I can't even go out there and fish. You can see the waves just pounding, and you know, it's so shallow, that shallow bar out there. I don't know it enough to get over it, get to the east side. I don't know if it'll do any good, because the way this wind's blowing, I can tell it's pounding over there. So let's see if I can't duck out of this. You can see the waves just and get out of this cove a little bit. It's just a whole different thing. So as you can see, it's just, we're gonna see what we can do. I had a stupid phone call. Scammer. Wow. We'll get out of this cove, man. It's gonna be a rough run out of here because I gotta stay in the troughs, unfortunately, because if I get on that side, it's too shallow. I'll hit bottom over there. And it doesn't look, it looks deep, but it ain't. It's only like a foot or two over there. So, all right, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see if we can't make this a show still today. It's not looking good. It's just getting worse. The wind's picking up. It's just getting worse. Woo, get out in it. It's nasty. Let you guys see a little bit of my running in here. Nice boat over here. This guy's working. Don't want to take off the weight. Worse. Getting worse. Getting worse. Here we go. see what happens. the wind's blowing pretty hard, but guys, thanks for watching. Tournament on Thursday. Tomorrow we have a day off. Maybe I'll do a special video of what I do and maybe start doing uploads. Tournament, of course. Other than that, guys, thanks. It's too rough. It's bad. It's 30, 35. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. Hold the wind.